Good morning, my name is Ghassan. I'm responsible for e-performance at Porsche Middle East and Africa, and today I'm gonna show you how you can recharge your hybrid or electric car at a public charging station in the UAE. Step one, of course, is to actually have an EV or plug-in hybrid. Now if you're lucky like I am, maybe you can ask nicely to one of your colleagues and you can have one for the weekend. Second step is to apply for your EV green charger card. Now this card you can get it from a DEWA Customer Happiness Center. You have to show up with your Emirates ID with the vehicle registration, and then you can apply for this card. It will be directly linked to your home DEWA account. Now at the moment it will show on your account, but you won't actually be charged for the electricity you will be using. Step 3 is to find one of those DEWA green chargers. Step 4, open the boot of your car and locate your public charging mode 3 cable. Step 5, with your access card, swipe it against the charger, then it will tell you choose your plug. Here we have 2 plugs, and then the magnets release and we have access to the power connection. Step 6, connect your cable to the charger and then connect the other side to the charge port on the car and wait for the light to start flashing green, and this will indicate that the car is charging. To stop the charging process and disconnect your car, you will have to swipe your card again, and then the charging process will stop. Disconnect the plug, take it out, and then the door gets locked again. Now some of you may be wondering, how long will it actually take to charge the car? Well, it depends on what type of charger you're connected to and also what type of charger you have in the car. With this particular Panamera, you're looking at somewhere around 2 to 4 hours for a full charge, and that will give you a maximum range of 50 kilometers. Now obviously these types of chargers aren't designed for a quick refill on the go. They're more or less designed to be located at places where you would have a long dwell time. For example, if you're staying at a hotel, at a restaurant, at your gym, at the supermarket, somewhere where you would be actually staying for a little bit longer than 1 or 2 hours. And the best part of it is until end of 2019 you actually get to recharge your cars for free. So free electricity, free mobility. I guess it's time to go to work now.